Hi, my name is Denny Strecker, and I'm the Chief Instructor here at Prestige Martial Arts, and my title is Shihan. Shihan is Japanese and means Master Teacher. I'm a 6th degree black belt, and that has earned me the title of Shihan. Most people have heard the title of Sensei before. Sensei is Japanese for teacher, and that's usually a 2nd or 3rd degree. So if you ever have a question, you would raise your hand up super high and say Shihan. That way I know you are addressing me, and I would be happy to answer whatever questions you have. I'd like to welcome you to the world of martial arts. I'm super excited to be your guide on this great journey. And the goal in our first lesson is to teach you kind of how class operates to get you a little bit more comfortable before you start jumping into a live class. So today I want to cover our student creed, what our warm-ups are, our life skill training. We're going to teach you a basic action, and then you're going to get some homework. Now, the great thing about martial arts is it's so much more than just punching and kicking, that we're going to be working on creating the life skill and having you use it all throughout class. So therefore, you become internalized and able to use that life skill anywhere you go in life. So you might see behind me 4 big white posters. I don't expect you to be able to read them from your computer, but that is our student creed. We start every class and we end every class with our student creed. So I want to go through it with you today. Don't worry about memorizing the words right now. It usually takes anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks with good practice to make sure that you have it. What we do is we have everybody stand up, parents and students included. We go to attention, which is our back straight, chin up, hands at our sides. And we say structure, to have discipline, to obey what is right, and follow the rules. And what will happen is we'll have one student leading the creed and all of the other students repeat it. So after structure, your hand over your heart, and you say emotion, to have a positive attitude and a passion for life. Then fingers up to our brain, we say knowledge, to apply what we learned in Prestige to our everyday life. And then if you have your belt, you grab. If you don't have a belt, you just have a pretend belt and you pull, and we say legacy, to be a leader and a role model for others to follow. Stepping forwards, we chop down with our right hand and we say winners never quit. And then we wind up again and say quitters never win. And then we point back to ourselves and we say, and I choose to be a winner. Asa! And at that point, then all parents get to say, Asa! So your asa is your warrior yell, or in Japanese, it's called a kiai. So you hear us use both of those words interchangeably. Now, once we're done with our student creed, we do our warm-up. So we're gonna do some general exercises. We usually do jumping jacks, squats, sit-ups, or push-ups. Sometimes we'll run in place. Sometimes we'll do punches, different mixtures of things like that. Our goal is to make sure, again, that your body is warmed up and that you're getting healthy. So for example, if we were to do jumping jacks, we'd have one student leading class and everybody else following along, and we would say, we're gonna do 10 jumping jacks. And everybody says, yes, sir. Ready, go. And then everybody counts out loud. 1, sir. 2, sir. All right, so you and I, let's do 10 together right now. Again, confident voice. We wanna work on belief. Our first life skill, belief. So we like to put that in everything that we do. So people with belief or good belief have strong voices. So here we go. Ready and go. 1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. 4, sir. 5, sir. 6, sir. 7, sir. 8, sir. 9, sir. 10, sir. Good job. Then we would continue on with our different exercises for that day. Next, after we're done with our warm-up, we do our life skill. Again, we like to start with belief, because believing in yourself is going to be a huge step into your success as a teen and adult. So we grab our belts and we say belief is having a yes I can attitude. And we say it with strong voice and make it believable. So let's practice. You're going to turn to mom or dad, whoever's with you right now. You're going to look them in the eye. You're going to smile and you're going to say belief is having a yes I can attitude. Good. All right. Now, mom or dad, if you believe them, give them a high five. Bam. And you say, great job. If they didn't do it quite strong enough, ask them to do it again. So one more time with me. Here we go. Belief is having a yes I can attitude. Good. Now, again, high five if they did it well. And you can practice that as you go. Now, next, after our life skill, you'll hear me say, what time is it? and everybody yells, "It's hug time!" We always do our parent hug after our warm-up. So you get to go find mom or dad, give them a super big hug, and you say, "You're so awesome," or "You're the best." Give them a compliment, and then get right back onto your dot so that you are ready for class. That's our next thing that we talk about. Class structure is set up for every single minute is planned to do something. So if you need to use the bathroom, if you need to grab a drink, if you're not feeling well, you would just dismiss yourself out of class and get back in as soon as you can. All right, so we're not going to stop class. We're not going to wait. We don't have drink breaks, things of that nature. We get a lot of things done in our time together. You can take care of those things as necessary. There's no punishment for walking out of class to get a drink. There's no discipline. There's no consequence other than you're missing the drill that we're doing. So we want you to get back as quick as you can. All right, so here we go. Told you we were going to teach you a life skill, which is belief and a martial arts technique. So today we're going to do front punches. So we're going to take our hands, curl those fingers down, thumbs on the outside. You'll hear me say brave thumbs. Our brave thumbs protect our fingers. Younger children in particular seem to like to tuck their thumbs away. That's not very good because now you have scared thumbs, right? And we're not very strong with our punches. So brave thumbs on the outside, hands go into chamber position. So I would like you to do this with me right now. And parents, your job right now is you're going to record your child doing this drill, which is going to take us about 1 to 2 minutes so that you can send it to me and I can see how their belief is coming along. All right, so here we go. Parents, get your phones ready, get your recorders ready. Students, you're going to take your hands, fingers down, thumbs, brave thumbs on the outside, pull them back to ready position, and we're going to punch straight out. But again, we don't just punch. We have to believe our punch. So what we do is we're going to punch 3 times. And when we punch, you're going to say, "Yes, I can." All right, so 3 good punches. Ready, go. Yes, I can. Good. 3 good punches. Go. Yes, I can. And go. Yes, I can. Go. Yes, I can. One more time. Go. Yes, I can. Great. Now we're going to punch upwards. Ready, go. Yes, I can. Go. Yes, I can. Go. Yes, I can. Go. Yes, I can. One more. Go. Yes, I can. Nice. Good job. Give me a high five. Fantastic. That was great, great work. So now, when we do our punches, again, we want to be hitting with the top 2 knuckles, punching straight out. We want to use believable punches. Punches that show everybody that we mean business. Now, it is important to understand, we don't go around punching people. That's not what martial arts is about. It's about being able to defend ourselves if we have to. If you have great belief in yourself, you're probably not going to need to use your punches, right? Standing tall, strong voice, good eye contact shows those bullies that you're not a person to get picked on and they're going to go look for somebody else. That is our perfect goal and what we're looking for. All right, so you have it there. My title is Shihan. Student creed, we're going to practice. Don't worry about memorizing it right away. Our warm-up, get those exercises in to make sure our muscles are good and strong. Our life skill, believing in ourselves. We have to believe in ourselves in order to be successful in life. Throwing a good karate punch, right? Good practice with our punches, and every time we punch, yes, I can, right? So you're going to practice that. And, I promised you one more thing, the homework, right? So martial arts is all about practicing the skills. We get better at what we practice. So in martial arts, I am always going to be challenging you to do better than wherever you're at. And that is how you are going to become a super successful adult and an awesome leader as you grow up. So here's your homework. Practice the yes, I can attitude until our next class, class number 2. So what that means is you don't say, I can't do that, or it's too hard. Whenever mom or dad say, hey, are you able to do this? Your only answer is, yes, I can. All right, so here, let's practice this. Do you think you can practice your karate? Oh, a little bit louder. Nice, yes, I can. All right, do you think you can listen to mom and dad and do what you're supposed to do? Yes, I can. Nice. So now, moms and dads, you want to find different things? Ask them throughout the day at different times. Hey, do you think you can? Or, hey, are you able to? Or will you go do this The answer should always be, yes, I can. As always, we're not looking for 100% perfection. We're looking for small steps in improvement. If we make a 1% improvement every day for the next year, we're going to be light years ahead of where we are today. So there you have it. Let's finish with our student creed, and we will be done for today. And I look forward to seeing your video on using your yes, I can attitude. Here we go. We go back to attention. You're going to face mom or dad, and you say, structure, to have discipline, to obey what is right, and follow the rules. Hand over the heart. Emotion, to have a positive attitude and a passion for life. Fingers to the brain. Knowledge, to apply what we learn at Prestige to our everyday life. Grabbing that pretend belt. Legacy, to be a leader and a role model for others to follow. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. And I choose to be a winner. Asa! And then the parents say, Asa! There you have it. You have finished your first karate lesson. Awesome job. Again, I look forward to seeing your video. Directions for sending the video are below this video here. And once I see the video, then you'll get the link to class number 2. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys soon.